Hi buddies, welcome again. Here is some updates for you about Samsung upcoming phones. Samsung just dropped a bombshell for foldable fans. Meet the Galaxy Z Flip 7, launching July 9th at Galaxy Unpacked. Let's unpack what makes this foldable the one to watch. The iconic clamshell design stays, but now with an even slimmer bezel profile and a more rounded aesthetic. Main screen, 6.85 inches AMOLED, 120 Hz, up from 6.7 inches. Cover screen, a massive 4 inches edge-to-edge AMOLED, inspired by the Razer 2025. Promoted colors include jet black, blue shadow, and coral red, according to official style renders. Under the hood, either the Snapdragon 8 Elite or Samsung's new Exynos 2500/2400, both built on efficient 3-nanometer processes. RAM and storage, 12 gigabytes of RAM with 256 gigabytes or 512 gigabytes options. Battery capacity bumped to 4,300 mAh with 25 watts wired and 15 watts wireless charging, even though fast chargers still lag behind Xiaomi's powerhouses. Camera setup mirrors last year, 50 wide plus 12 ultra wide, with a 10 megapixel selfie cam. But expect sharper results thanks to improved processing and Galaxy AI enhancements. Software comes preloaded with Android 16 One UI 8, bringing generative editing and smarter AI tools out of the box. Unpacked is on July 9. Devices should hit stores late July, just 2 weeks after announcement. Price likely starts at $1,099 for the 256 gigabyte variant, with potential bump depending on model. Big screen, bold colors, top-end chipset and AI features. It's shaping up to be the most complete Galaxy Flip yet. Drop a comment. Would you choose the Flip 7 or go for the upcoming Motorola Razr Ultra? Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one.